Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing the Land Transportation Office or LTO, its organizational structure, key projects, and citizen charter. The LTO traces its roots back to the Land Transportation Commission in 1987 under Executive Order Number 125. It was recognized into the Land Transportation Office. The agency is headed by an Assistant Secretary who is appointed by the President upon recommendation of the Secretary of Transportation. To function efficiently, the LTO is structured into different offices and divisions. The agency is led by the Assistant Secretary and supported by the Executive Director. To serve the entire country, the LTO has regional offices in all administrative regions and district offices in provinces. These offices are responsible for processing driver's license, vehicle registration, and handling local transportation concerns. Now that we understand the structure of LTO, let's move on the project and initiative aimed at improving its service. Now, let's talk about the major projects of the LTO. This initiative aims to improve efficiency, enhance public service, and modernize the agency's operations. One of the biggest improvements in LTO's service is the LTO Infrastructure and Information System project. This project was launched in 2012 to use information and communication technology to improve LTO's efficiency. Next, on August 29, 2017, LTO implemented the 5 years validity for driver's license. This was made possible by Republic Act No. 10930, signed on August 29, 2017. Additionally, LTO improved the quality of license card. This project reduced need for frequent renewals, improving convenience for drivers. Now that we've covered LTO's key project, let's move on to LTO Citizens Charter, which ensures transparency and efficiency in public service. The LTO Citizens Charter is a commitment to efficient, transparent, and cooperation-free public service was implemented in 2009 in compliance with the Republic Act 19485, also known as the Anti-Red Tape Act (ARTA) of 2007. This charter was developed through consultations with regional and district office to improve LTO's frontline service. The Citizen Charter ensures that LTO office follows standardized procedure to serve the public efficiently. Key component includes since its implementation, the Citizen Charter has gone through several enhancements to improve LTO service. This LTO Citizen Charter timeline proves that the LTO remains committed to refining its practices, reducing bureaucratic red tape, and enhancing public service delivery for all citizens. To summarize, the LTO is responsible for regulating land transportation in the Philippines. Its organizational structure supports efficient operations. Improvement in its IT system have modernized LTO service. License validity extension offer added convenience for drivers. The Citizens Charter promotes efficient, transparent, and accountable service. Through this initiative, LTO continues to enhance its service for the public. Thank you.